Choosing the best herb hydroponic system. Introduction to hydroponic herb systems. Hydroponics Overview, soilless farming technique maximizing growth and yield. Key components. Definition and concept of hydroponics. Historical development and advancements. Advantages and limitations. Deep water culture, DWC. Benefits. Direct nutrient uptake. Optimal oxygenation for root health. Effective for a variety of herbs and vegetables. Nutrient film technique, NFT. Overview, continuous flow of nutrient solution over roots. Key advantages. Constant nutrient and water supply. Efficient use of resources. Ideal for indoor herb cultivation. Wick System. System mechanics, uses capillary action to supply nutrients. Components. Nutrient reservoir. Absorbent wick material. Suitable growing medium. Advantages, low maintenance, suitable for beginners. Ebb and Flow System. Functionality, floods roots with nutrients, then drains them. Benefits. Enhances root oxygenation. Regulates nutrient delivery efficiently. Supports a diverse plant variety. Aeroponics. System description, mist roots with nutrient solution in air. Advantages. Maximizes nutrient delivery and aeration. Promotes rapid herb growth. Allows year-round indoor cultivation. Conclusion, choosing your ideal hydroponic system. Decision factors. Space availability and scalability. Resource efficiency and sustainability. Plant varieties and specific growth requirements. Maintenance tips. Ensure optimal nutrient levels. Maintain pH balance and system cleanliness. Future potential, innovations in sustainable agriculture. Thank you for exploring the world of hydroponics with us. We hope this video has illuminated the path to selecting the perfect hydroponic system for your gardening needs.